الذي أحيانا بعدما أماتنا وإليه النشور.
MashaAllah. Thank you, Ayman. Next, we have Iza sharing the morning dua. Iza, please share the dua.
Allahumma bika asbagna wa bika amsayna wa bika nahiya wa bika namutu wa ilayhi nushur.
MashaAllah. Well done, Iza. Now we have Shayan sharing the dua for entering the toilet. Shayan, go ahead.
Allahumma inni a'udhu bika minal khubuthi wal khaba'ith.
Next, Michelle will share the dua for when we travel in a vehicle. Michelle, please recite it.
Assalamu alaikum. Subhanalladhi sahhalana hada wa ma kunna lahu muqrinin ila rabbina munqalibun.
MashaAllah. Well done, Michelle. Now, Rifin will recite the dua for when we leave the house. Rifin, it's your turn.
Bismillahi tawakkaltu ala Allah la hawla wa la quwwata illa billah.
MashaAllah. Excellent, Rifin. Next, we have Razan with the dua for after eating food. Razan, please recite the dua.
Alhamdulillahilladzi at'amani hada warzaqanihi min ghairi hawlin minni wala quwwa.
MashaAllah. Thank you, Razan. Finally, we have Aizam with the dua for before sleeping. Aizam, please share the dua.
Bismika Allahumma ahya wa amutu.
MashaAllah. Well done, Aizam.